Hello, my name is Richard Wilson. I'm CEO of the Family Offices Group and also creator of our Family Office database that you can see at familyoffices.com. And what I wanted to do a short video on is why our Family Office database is the most valuable in the industry. There's a few really tangible reasons on why that's the case. I think you'll agree puts us in a position that no one else is in. First off, a lot of family office database providers are fly-by-night, garage-ran, one person who works at a corporation, and then by nighttime they're selling a database that's scraped together a couple years ago and it's probably very outdated. If you look at the About Us page and the team of the people behind most family office databases, typically they don't show pictures, they don't show their experience, they don't show their bios, and that's because they can't. They have a full-time job somewhere else. If their boss knew they were doing this at nighttime, it wouldn't be good for them. Also, if you look at that About Us page, most people who provide a family office database, in fact everybody but ourselves, they don't work in the family office industry. They're a media company, they're a conference company, they are a college student, they are a technology company. We are a family office association. We are family office advisors. If you want to see the advisory work we do, you can go to familyofficesgroup.com, singlefamilyoffices.com. You can download our report at familyofficereport.com for free. You can get our book called The Family Office Book, Investing Capital for the Ultra Affluent. It's the #1 most popular book in the industry because we have the largest family office association in the world with over 72,000 professionals in it. So the #1 tangible reason of why you should get your family office database from us is that we are the only family office database provider who is laser focused in the industry and actually works in it every single day. Every day we're meeting with family offices. I'm here in Prague in the Czech Republic. I just met with a family office yesterday. I'm going to speak at an event in Paris tomorrow, and I'm actually meeting with one of the largest single family offices in Europe on Thursday to talk about working together directly. And you just can't fake working in the family office industry full time. These other companies typically don't try to, they're just technology companies. So that's the #1 reason, is that we have the most relevant information and we know what's a family office and what is not. The second reason is that we have a full-time data research team. We have a team of people who just update our databases every single day, and that's all they do. We email family offices, we call them, we find their publicly available information, and we are the only database company to guarantee our data is accurate. Most other companies won't do that. If their data is wrong, you can call them up, you can call them on it, maybe they'll give you a partial refund. We put the pressure on ourselves by offering a 4 times prorated refund guarantee. Nobody else even provides a public guarantee, or a 2 times guarantee publicly, at least I know for sure, has never offered. And ours is a 4 times, meaning that if 10% of our data is somehow outdated, inaccurate, or just wrong, you get a 40% refund on your money. If 20% of our data is outdated or somehow wrong, then you get a full 80% back of your money. And so it might only be that 1% is outdated, but you get 4 times that amount of refund, 4%. If you show us what that mistake is, we'll very quickly refund you and fix that mistake and get you the accurate data. So I think that's another thing that we've done to go above and beyond expectations in terms of service and quality. And most people wonder when they buy a database, is it accurate? Is it the right type of contact? Is it going to have what I need to do business with these people as a partner or an investor or a potential employer? So I hope these things I've shared with you today will help you see how there's some very tangible reasons on why our family office database is superior. #1 is that we're the only ones that work in the family office industry. We have the largest association, the most popular website, the best-selling book in the space. And #2 is that we give this data quality guarantee with a 4 times prorated refund that really just puts our money where our mouth is, saying this is good stuff, this is good data, and you're going to like it if you purchase it. So this is Richard Wilson coming to you from Prague in the Czech Republic today. We're based in the United States, but we're in New York and London all the time, Singapore as well. And I'd love for you to keep in touch, and please visit familyoffices.com to learn more about our family office database. Thank you.